We're gonna make monkey bread today. You'll need 2 loaves of frozen bread that you'll have to thaw the night before. To thaw it, put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. You'll need a bundt pan. Make sure you grease it with butter. Now you will need 1 stick of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You mix the cinnamon and sugar together. Now preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Also melt the butter. Now comes the fun part. Roll the dough into walnut-sized pieces. Then roll it into the butter. Then put it in the sugar. Then you toss it in there. Now bake for 30 minutes. When it's done, flip it upside down on a plate immediately. Let cool and enjoy.